Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can clear an audio track in your project on LMMS. So let us guide you through this. So head over to the LMMS app on your desktop computer or laptop, click into File in the top left, and then select Open to navigate to your project. Now, here in the song editor you will see all audio components, and you can, for example, add or remove audio tracks like sample tracks, beat and bass lines, and so on and so forth. But instead of removing, you can also clear one of these or any of these. For example, if you have a beat, for instance, or a sample track that has been customized here, I can't play it due to copyright reasons, but here through the beat bassline editor, for example, let's say you have a customized beat, you can leave that audio track here, that component, without removing it, but clear it, right? So which would basically remove all your changes and edits and clear its content and customization. So what you want to do is select the given audio component here by clicking into the gear icon next to it. And instead of choosing remove this track, select clear this track. And that's the other option. If you remove it, right, the given audio track will be removed, as you can see. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.